Hey guys, so Lenovo is going to launch the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022 today in China. It will arrive as a flagship tablet and will succeed the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2021 from last year. So let's take a look at all the specifications and features of the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022. Starting with the display, the tablet will come with a 11.2-inch OLED display with 2.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate. The display is also certified by TUV Global Eye Protection 2.0 and also supports 600 nits peak brightness level. The tablet will be offered in two chip variants. One will be powered by the Snapdragon 870 SoC and the second with MediaTek Companion 1300T. The tablet will feature quad speaker system tuned by JBL. In addition, the tab will also have support for the stylus. The company will also be selling an official keyboard accessory. The tablet will get its juice from a 8200 mAh battery with 68W fast charging support, whereas the MediaTek variant will support 30W fast charging. Last but not least, the Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022 will boot ZUI 14 based on Android 12. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.